Here is a look at building the retaining walls for the gazebo and fire pit area using the Belgard Diamond Pro retaining blocks. Once you have the base and first row in place, you keep working your way along the second layer, checking your levels with each block. Belgard has a pinning option to help secure the next row of blocks. Place the fiberglass pin in the chosen hole and set the next block on top. Here we are starting the fire pit area. You can see the finished gazebo wall in the background. A view of the completed gazebo with capstones and steps in place. Here's a look at the fire pit area with crushed stones as a base layer. The drain is in place and the capstones are starting to be arranged. We chose washed stone number 78 as our finishing stone for its ability to pack well, offer easy walking on the pathways. We like the drainage that it offered and the crunchy texture and sound underfoot. Take a look at the finished view of our project, now with the pathways laid out. We are almost there. A few more details remain, including landscape plants and installing a privacy screen on the gazebo. And of course, s'mores to celebrate. Thank you for joining us on this project. If you found this helpful or inspiring, please like and subscribe to the channel so we can continue to grow together. Until next time, happy gardening.